Pages with Scraptique in Fort Myers, Florida. We are going to talk about a couple of different techniques. Some of them you may already know, but we were asked to do some technique-based things, so that's what we're going to do. We're using the builder line, the little builder line from Photoplay, which is why this is all going on. That's perfect line for any Bob the Builder pictures. It's a perfect line for construction. It's a perfect line for any type of, if you're building a house, it is absolutely fantastic. And we're going to be coming out with a new set of page kits for it within the next probably 3 weeks. And once we do have them, we'll go ahead and put them online. So if you're not on our website, go to our website and sign up for our newsletter, and that will keep you in the loop for all of our new products. So let's get started so we can go ahead and work on just a couple little things, and we'll show you what to do. This is the builder line, and I'm going to show you some of the papers. I already pre-did a couple of the little techniques that I'm going to show you, because we only have so much time to be able to do this. But this paper, you get 2 sheets each of 6 different papers, and it's just absolutely perfect for building. And it's got all the little hard hats on it and little orange vests. That one has, they're all double-sided, obviously. And it comes with a bunch of different cards that you can use. And it comes with a sticker sheet. So the one technique I was going to teach you is how to make fan folded embellishments for your pages. You can go ahead and you can buy them. They're out there, and they're usually very expensive. They're $4 for 4 of them, so they're $1 a piece. But you can make them so easily at home. And all you need is a bone folder. And what you're going to do, what I did with mine is I did a 1 1/4 inch, 1 1/4 inch strip by 12 inches. And you just take your scoring board and just go ahead and score at 1/4 inch marks, which I'm not scoring. Obviously, I wouldn't be going this fast. But you score all the way down the end of it. Then you take it and you accordion fold all of the pieces. You want to use a glue gun when you do this, because if you just try to use regular glue, it's not going to stick. So I always use a glue gun. And you take a little piece of paper in the back, and you're just going to squeeze it together once you're done accordion folding it. Put a little button in the middle, because there'll be a little hole there. And just put a button in the middle, and you've got your flower, or your fan. And you can make this with any size that you want to. You can do a 3/4 of an inch, you can do a 1 inch, 1 1/2. You could do a 6 inch one, and then do another 6 inch one, glue those together, and make a real big one for parties. It's great for birthday parties, baby showers, July 4th. You could do it, but they're so easy to do. And you know, if you're going to do a bigger one, you're going to want to score it a little bit further. You're not going to want to do 1/4 inch. You probably want to do about 1 inch. And it just makes a really cheap, easy embellishment just with paper. So that's the finished product. The other thing that I was going to show you is I also use the builder line. A lot of times you're going to go and you're going to scrapbook, and you have extra pictures that you may not want people to see. You've got extra pictures that maybe just don't fit on the page, but you don't have enough to do another page. And what you can do is you can cut different pieces, like we did a 7x4, and then a 6x4, and then a 5x4, and I put the title on the front, and you either can put holes in the top and put a binder clip in it, or you can put holes in the top and tie a bunch of ribbons, and then you can put pictures on all of those, even the back one, because you could just glue it at the top on your page. So that's a way to use your paper to expand your layouts. Another new one that we've got going on is we're going to be using the Flower Market from Echo Park, and we're going to be doing 20 cards. We're teaching this as a class, and we're doing 20 cards, and you get chipboard that goes with it, 2 packages, plus you'll get a bunch of embellishments, a bunch of flowers, ribbons. It's 10 cards, but 2 of each design for a total of 20 cards. You get the cards, you get the envelopes, and you get the tutorial on how to put it all together. So if you're a card maker and you like cards, it's great. And we're going to put some eyelets with it. We'll have some pop dots with it, some embellishments with it. And this should be a real popular project. Another class that we've got coming up is with the Bella Flare line. And we're going to be doing 4 12 by 12 2-page layouts. And this one's really pretty too. This one's got ATC cards. This is also 2 sheets each of 6 designs. The back is a yellow flower. And it's got a green one with pink on the back. And when we do our page kits and we do our classes, we include all of our cardstock, we include all of the embellishments, we include pop dots, we include all of the papers, so you get a really good value for your money. And then this one is a print with a dot. Then we've got some black flowers and some green. And some 4 by 6 cards with some more flowers. Another floral with stripes. And then a sheet of stickers. So that one is also going to be a class, and we'll do 4 12 by 12 2-page layouts. We have several different new kits on our website as well. This one is called Summer Bucket List. I only have one of the pages of this. I left the other one at the office. But this is what the finished product looks like. Actually, that is the one that goes with that. Sorry. Then you've got the bucket list layout. And you've got the Soak Up the Summer layout. And that kit is available on our website now. Don't forget to go to the website. I'm going to put it in front so you guys can write it down. And make sure you sign up for our newsletter, because we release new products every single week. And you're going to want to come and look at all the different stuff. On our website, we have a tab at the top right, or top left, I'm sorry, that says Taste of the Latest, and that's where you find all the new stuff. And then we have categories for all the different manufacturers that we carry. And we carry pretty much any manufacturer that's out there. So I hope you guys had a great week in scrapbooking. Hope you had a lot of fun stamping yesterday and card making and today scrapbooking. And we will see you again in July. Thank you.